Hi, I'm Don Downs of Outsmart Your Technology, where I help coaches and other heart-centered entrepreneurs learn to use their technology and grow their business. Today we're going to take a look at how to turn off notifications from your iPhone. The reasons you'd want to do this are pretty much the same as why you would turn off the ringer, which I showed in another video. Perhaps you are going into a meeting with a client and you don't want notifications popping up distracting you. Perhaps you're going someplace like church where it's quiet and you don't want to be disturbing the people around you with these notifications. Or perhaps you're just sitting down to do some focused work and you don't want to be distracted by having your email and Facebook and other notifications popping up. Because when those pop up, it takes a lot of self-control to stay focused on what you're doing. We're kind of like moths around the light. We keep being drawn to that notification, going, what was that noise? I have to look, there's an email, I have to read it. And so if you can turn off that notification, it makes it much easier to stay focused. So to turn off those notifications, take your iPhone, swipe up from the bottom, and notice up on the top, there's a row of icons, and one of them is a moon. If you click the moon, so the moon's now highlighted, that's do not disturb mode, and those notifications will be silenced. To turn it back off, it's the same process. If it's not already up, swipe up from the bottom and click the moon so it's no longer highlighted. Now, a lot of times when I do this, I will also set a timer so that I will remember to turn notifications back on at a later date. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my newsletter so you'll be notified of new tips. Thanks and have a great day.